Hanon Custom Chopper Bike LS300. Thank you. What do you get when you cross a chopper and a bike? You can see the materialization of this amazing idea on your screen. According to the author of the project, the chopper bike looks cool and it takes care of the environment. The structure weighs about 90 pounds, made with stainless steel. Despite its considerable weight, the bike is easy enough to ride and it's a fully functional model. The rear wheel was specially designed for this custom bike and it's 12 inches wide. The ability to shift speeds and disc brakes increase comforts as well. The length of the chopper bike is about 8.8 feet. Ferrari Farfalla FFX. Look at this impressive supercar which reminds us of a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. But why is it featured in today's selection? Well, relax, it's actually a four-wheeled bicycle. Inside it resembles a huge toy car. There's room for two people, and both can pedal. The aluminum frame guarantees durability, while the 11-speed gear system makes it more or less comfortable to ride. An LED light system is provided for night riding. Well, by the way, the name is a wordplay. Fahrrad means bike in German, so the manufacturers added an I to it, so the resulting word sounds similar to the word Ferrari. And the word Farfalla means butterfly in Italian, but you won't be able to fly in this bike. Monster bike. If you often ride your bicycle and notice that many motorists look down on you, you will definitely be pleased with the following vehicle. The speed of this masterpiece is slightly higher than that of a pedestrian, but you can get a lot of pleasure from the ride. The main feature of the design is a tire from a monster truck. Thanks to it, the rider is higher than not only cars but also some trucks. There are two small rear wheels to stabilize the bike. The speed of this custom bike is pretty modest, about 1.8 miles per hour, but riding it considered a very effective training option. After all, you have to work hard even to overcome a small distance. Walking bicycle. The following device looks so incredible that even its inventor finds it difficult to explain why he created it. You are looking at a walking bicycle. When you ride this bike, you notice a very interesting effect. It feels as if you were driving a horse-drawn car. Four legs move the construction briskly, both on asphalt and on firm ground, quite smoothly, almost without bouncing. The legs are 24.5 inches high, and the frame is very safe thanks to the reinforced S-arcs. Of course, this bike is not the fastest means of transportation, but it is guaranteed to lift the spirit of both bystanders and the rider. Foreign glide cycle. Running is a good thing, but sometimes gravity interferes with your training. Simply put, running regularly with extra weight or improper technique can damage your joints or ligaments. To make running more comfortable and less traumatic, engineers in the US have come up with a special running bike for adults. It allows the runner to be slightly elevated thanks to the saddle on the belt system, which reduces the strain on the body and allows you to train longer and safer. When folded, it fits in a car trunk and takes a couple of minutes to assemble depending on the model. It holds from 230 to 330 pounds. With this bike, you can compensate from 65 to 90% of the weight, which makes jogging much more comfortable. Foreign Carwheel bicycle. Here is another bike for spectacular rides and drawing attention. Built by an inventor known as Mr. Mash, he built his brainchild using old car wheels, a frame from a BMX stunt bike, and steel too. The handlebars are decorated with a retro motorcycle light. The frame is designed so that you can put your feet on it for a more comfortable ride. The final design, according to the creator, weighs about 77 pounds. It's fairly smooth and easy to steer. The gear allow you to easily take off, so this vehicle can be used to go for a bike ride or to the nearest store. Ada Bike. How fast can you ride a bicycle? The team behind the Aravelo project has already managed to hit the 90 miles per hour mark with the model you see on the screen. It is an aerodynamically unique capsule bike thanks to its carbon honeycomb materials. It weighs only 55 pounds. The pilot has to navigate with the help of the screens. Due to the design features, the picture is displayed from two cameras at once. However, these seat ergonomics were thought out at the smallest detail based on laboratory tests. Also, the vehicle received ultra thin 0.07-inch tires. The name of the bike uses the Greek letter ETA for a very good reason in many industries, indicates efficiency, and the Arvelo team plans to create the world's fastest foot-powered vehicle. Let's wish them luck. Yuba Supercargo CL. According to its creators, this bike is perfect for active parents and small groups of people. A distinctive feature of the model is a huge front rack capable of supporting up to 220 pounds of load. And if this is not enough, you can also add 80 pounds to the rear trunk. Transporting that kind of weight takes a lot of effort, so the cyclist will be helped by the Bosch Cargo Line built-in electric motor. It allows you to reach 20 miles per hour and a full battery lasts about 60 miles. The 20-inch wheels, combined with a special frame, provide enough maneuverability and stability, and the center of gravity is much lower than in conventional bikes. The bike is about 8.2 feet long. Foreign Manta 5. Cycling is now possible not only on land, but also on water. This invention opened up new dimensions of cycling because it is the world's first electric hydrofoil bicycle. The bike weighs 68 pounds and has an electric motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 13 miles per hour. The battery capacity is enough for about 4 hours of operation while all important parts are protected against water according to the IPX8 standard. A mobile app is available too. It tracks your stats and connects to the bike via Bluetooth. In one test, a cyclist on this bike successfully crossed the Cook Strait in New Zealand, covering 15 miles between two islands. We wonder how ship captains feel about this technology. Foreign